Hey everybody, Nick here, and today we got a disassembly and maintenance video for you on this little guy from CJRB. This is Artisan Cutlery's budget brand. I say this little guy because I cannot for the life of me remember this thing's name. That's okay though. It literally just came to me from the factory yesterday, and so I want to make sure that... Oh, interesting. Are we thread locked? No? Okay. It was just a little tight. Nice little pivot collar here. And we'll put that there. Beautiful. Oh, boy. Would have been worth noting that the centering was slightly off from the factory. But that's okay. Get that there. Beautiful. And that there. And what we should be able to do here is set this guy down, and it should more or less disassemble itself. Yeah, all right, beautiful. Whoa, that's interesting and lazy. Doesn't even go into the handle there. All right, I'm lifting this guy loose, popping everything off, and oh boy. Okay, so we got some gunk in here. Likely this knife will run a lot better when we're done with it than when we started. That's good. All right. If you're ever curious about any of the tools I'm using for this disassembly process or any other process, go ahead and check out nickshabazz.com/tools. You will find a full video with a link to all of them as well as descriptions, etc. Okay, I'm going to use a bit of a Q-tip here as I splash rubbing alcohol all over myself. It's cool. Nice. And wow, I'm a menace today. I should just stop. Luckily, this is my last disassembly for the morning. All right, just cleaning all this gunk out of here. Oh boy, this has got some gunktion in there. Let's clean that out. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right. So, there is that. And here is this. And we are actually damn near ready to go. I'll go ahead and I'll clean off these bearings right quick. This doesn't actually really look like it was well lubricated or perhaps even lubricated at all from the factory. Not sure. Nope, stay with me, bearing. Stay with me. Never let go. Well, let go at a certain point. You belong in this knife. Got some dirt on our puke green G10. Well, it's not really puke so much as bile. Either way, it's not great. Yeah, okay. So then it was, in fact, just that there was some extra thread locker in there because this side of the pivot is keyed. I was not going to be able to turn this guy at all, given that situation. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use some, looks like they hit this guy with a buffing wheel or something like that. That's not great. Whatever. Go ahead and put some lubrication there. I'll drop on this this bearing here. Come on now. There we go. Beautiful. Drop that there. All right. Let's drop this here. Come on. Into position. Beautiful. All righty. Let's go ahead and put this here and here. And let's rotate this whole affair around just a little bit. Go ahead and... Oh, damn, I forgot to lubricate the 10-ball hole. Let's go ahead and do that. Just a little drip in there. That'll help make sure everything is running smooth. Oh, boy, tolerances on this stop pin are not high. This is an inexpensive knife, or at least I'm sure assuming it is. I don't know for 100% yet, but well, let's put it this way, it better be. But that's okay. A good inexpensive knife could be a great thing, and hopefully this is a good inexpensive knife. Only reason I'm not saying anything otherwise is because I haven't carried it yet. And that's the way I know whether something's good or not, is by spending some time with it. I can get some pretty good intuitions day one out of the box. But actually using it's kind of helpful, right? All right, let's go ahead and put this into here. And I'm just going to give that a little bit of torque, but nothing too crazy. Again, we've got some extra thread locker built up in there, so I'll try and clean that out of there. Beautiful. Alrighty. put that in here. And tighten you down a little bit. Now, hold there. Again, just clean out some of that thread locker. A little aggressive at the factory with it, but that's okay, I guess. And tighten this down. There is no plug for the clip hole on the other side there. Okay, right now it is way, way, way too loose in the pivot, and that's okay. Tighten it up a little bit. Kind of thick at the edge, unfortunately. Yeah, very thick at the edge. That's a shame. Action's way better, though. Action is way better. Whew. Yeah, it's definitely nice. All right, let's see if I can loosen that up a little bit. No play. Yeah, way, way better. Massive improvement to the action on result of this sort of thing. So anyways, there you go. Hope this has been interesting to you, and have yourselves just an absolutely wonderful rest of your day. Bye now.